Hello, today I Vaishnavi Best of class 9th A, a student of Army Public School Ranikhet is here to present an activity on topic isotonic solution, hypertonic solution, hypertonic solution. Material required for this activity is raisins, 3 beakers or container with the solution of salt. In one beaker, there is a normal concentration of salt. In another beaker, there is less concentration of salt. And in third beaker, there will be high concentration of salt. Now, we will start our activity. First, we will put raisins in the less concentration of salt. Now, we will put the raisins in high concentration of salt. Now, we will put the raisins in the normal concentration of salt. You can see that the raisins are settled down at the bottom of the 3 beakers. Now, we will leave them for few hours. As we all know the definition of hypertonic, hypertonic and isotonic solution. The definition of hypertonic solution is the medium or solution surrounding the cell has high concentration as compared to inside of the cell. The cell gain water and swell up is endosmosis. The definition of hypertonic solution is if a solution has a low concentration of water, then the cell, such a solution is known as hypertonic solution. Third, the isotonic solution. If the isotonic solution has exactly the same water concentration as the cell, such a solution is known as isotonic solution. Now, after leaving the raisins for a few hours, we can see that the raisins that we put in hypertonic solution are swollen up, and the raisins that we put in hypertonic solution got shrunken. And the raisins that we put in isotonic solution are of the same size that they were before. You can see the differences between the 3 types of raisins that we put in isotonic, hypertonic and hypotonic solution. In hypertonic, they got swollen up. It is because the water molecules are free to pass across the raisins in both directions, but more will come into the raisin that will leave. The net result is that water enters the raisin, so it is likely to swollen up. These are the raisins of hypertonic solution. Again, water crosses the raisins in both directions, but this time more water leaves the raisins that enter it. Therefore, the water crosses the raisin in both directions, but the amount going in it is the same as the amount going out. So there is no overall movement of water. The cell will stay the same size. So we observe that in hypertonic, the raisins swollen up. In hypertonic, the raisins shrink, and in isotonic, they remain in their normal size.